Discover a range of genius tools on Amazon that are designed to make your life easier. These tools combine cutting-edge technology and innovative design to help you tackle tasks with speed, precision, and convenience. Whether for home projects or professional use, these tools boost efficiency and ensure outstanding results. When working with reinforced steel bars in construction, the rebar bender cutter is indispensable. This all-in-one tool simplifies the labor-intensive process of bending and cutting rebar, offering precision and speed. Capable of bending up to 90 degrees and cutting through tough steel bars, it reduces manual effort by 50% and increases productivity by 40%. The tool's powerful cutting mechanism and compact design ensure it's easy to handle, reducing worker fatigue, even during long hours of operation. Whether you're shaping foundations or building reinforced structures, the rebar bender cutter offers unparalleled precision and time-saving benefits, making it a critical tool for large-scale construction projects. Precision is key for woodworking and cutting tasks, and the Recon M1 takes that to the next level. This digital measuring tool attaches directly to saws and provides automatic measurements, eliminating the need for manual measuring and marking. With its built-in digital readout, it ensures every cut is measured perfectly, reducing material waste and saving time by eliminating the need for remeasurements. The Recon M1 speeds up woodworking and other cutting tasks by 30%, allowing users to complete jobs faster without sacrificing accuracy. The ability to automate the measuring process streamlines the workflow and ensures consistent, flawless results, making this tool indispensable for those who value both speed and precision. The Milwaukee Fuel PX Expander is a game-changer for plumbers. Designed specifically for expanding PX tubing, this cordless tool provides fast, reliable, and precise expansions, significantly cutting down installation time. The built-in LED light allows for accurate work even in low-light environments, and the long-lasting battery means fewer interruptions, allowing plumbers to work more efficiently on-site. This tool not only speeds up installation, but also minimizes user fatigue, making it a must-have for plumbing professionals looking to enhance their productivity and reduce labor time on each job. Plumbers and contractors will appreciate the Viega ManaBlock, an advanced water distribution system that improves plumbing efficiency by 40%. This central manifold allows for direct, individual connections from the main water supply to each fixture, minimizing water waste and installation time. This reduces the risk of leaks and lowers the need for complex repairs down the line. For both residential and commercial properties, this system not only speeds up installation, but also reduces the likelihood of future plumbing issues, making it a long-term, cost-effective solution for any building project. For professionals who require precision in pipe cutting, the Guillotine Pipe Cutter is a top choice. This tool provides smooth, square cuts on PVC, HDPE, and other types of pipes with minimal effort. The cutter's ergonomic handle reduces hand strain, allowing users to cut through large volumes of pipe quickly and accurately. The tool is designed to produce clean cuts with no burrs, ensuring that pipes fit together perfectly during installation. The Guillotine Pipe Cutter improves productivity, safety, and precision, making it a must-have for any contractor or plumber dealing with high-volume pipe work. Detecting hidden pipes, wires, or studs in walls is a critical step in any renovation or repair project, and the Bosch Wall Scanner makes this process fast and accurate. Using advanced sensors, the wall scanner detects live wires, metal, and plastic pipes, as well as studs, with up to 99% accuracy. The easy-to-read digital display and simple operation make this tool perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. By speeding up the detection process and reducing errors, the Bosch Wall Scanner saves time and prevents costly mistakes during construction projects. Sanding is often a tedious process, but the Milescraft sand plane speeds things up by 25% thanks to its versatile and ergonomic design. With interchangeable sanding pads for different surfaces and textures, it's perfect for both flat and curved surfaces. The easy-to-grip design reduces hand fatigue, making long sanding jobs much more manageable. Its compact size also ensures that it can reach into tight spaces, which are often hard to access with standard sanders. The sand plane's lightweight design makes it easy to use for extended periods, boosting productivity and delivering high-quality finishes quickly. For stripping paint and varnish, the Speed Heater Cobra uses infrared heat to quickly and safely soften paint for easy removal. Unlike traditional chemical strippers, the infrared technology allows for a much safer, cleaner, and more eco-friendly process. The Speed Heater Cobra is especially useful for restoration projects, where care and precision are required to preserve the integrity of the underlying surface. It eliminates the need for toxic chemicals, making it a safer option for both the user and the environment. Its quick, efficient operation saves both time and labor, making it a go-to tool for professionals and DIYers tackling paint removal projects. The Rocket UKS 160 is a professional-grade ratchet pipe cutter designed to handle large-diameter pipes with ease. It cuts PVC and other hard plastic pipes up to 160 millimeters in diameter, with 30% less effort than standard tools. This tool is especially useful for high-volume pipe fitting jobs, as it speeds up the cutting process significantly. Whether you're working on a major plumbing installation or a smaller repair, the Rocket UKS 160 ensures that every cut is clean, quick, and precise. This tool's durability and ease of use make it a favorite among professionals who need reliable performance in demanding environments. For multipurpose tasks, the Metabo PFM 17 cordless multi-tool is an all-around performer, combining power and versatility. It features a high-torque motor capable of cutting, grinding, sanding, and scraping with 50% more power than most other multi-tools. The Quick Change accessory system allows users to switch between different applications in seconds without slowing down the workflow. With a wide range of attachments available, this multi-tool can handle everything from cutting through tough materials to fine detail sanding, making it a versatile and indispensable tool for any workshop or job site. Its long-lasting battery ensures that you can work uninterrupted for extended periods, making it a reliable choice for professionals on the go.